How to get a free virtual credit card for free trials. To get started, go to vccwave.com. This platform provides free virtual credit cards you can use on popular sites like Netflix, Canva, HBO Max, Uber, and more. Head to their pricing page and you'll see a basic plan that costs $0 per month. It includes unlimited cards, no transaction fees, and international and multi-currency support. Now click Get Started. Fill in your name, username, email, and password to register. You must be at least 18 years old. Once you're signed in, you'll see your virtual credit card dashboard. To use the card, click Review CVC to reveal the security code. Copy your card number, expiration date, and CVC. Use these details when starting a free trial, just like a real credit card. If needed, you can click Change Card to get a new one at any time. And that's how to get a free virtual credit card for free trials.